Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the A3 XP600 DTF printer, a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their printing capabilities. This incredible machine comes packed with features that will revolutionize the way you design and produce prints, and I'm eager to dive into the details. First, let's talk about the package included with this printer. You get an entire suite of tools and supplies to get you started right away, including the XP600 single-head DTF printer, a shaking dryer machine, 5x500 milliliters of DTF ink, 1 kilogram of hot melt powder, a roll of 30 centimeters x 100mm DTF film, and the RIIN software. This comprehensive bundle ensures that you have everything you need to start creating stunning prints without any additional purchases. The value here is undeniable, and it's clear that the manufacturer has thoughtfully considered the needs of their customers. Another standout feature of this product is its robust packaging. The manufacturer has clearly taken steps to ensure that the printer and its accessories arrive at your doorstep in pristine condition. Custom packaging for the printer and supplies means that you don't have to worry about damage during transportation, which is a significant concern when ordering sensitive electronics online. This attention to detail speaks to the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about the printer's capabilities. One of the most impressive features of the XP600 is its ability to load 13-inch width film, allowing for maximum printing widths of up to 13 inches, with normal widths reaching up to 12.5 inches. This level of flexibility is a huge advantage for designers and producers who need to create large, intricate prints. Whether you're working on a personal project or running a business, this printer has the capacity to meet your demands. The software that comes with the XP600 is also worth highlighting. The RIIN Hosensoft is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, making it easy to install and use, regardless of your operating system. But what really sets it apart is its safety and reliability. Unlike some other software on the market, RIIN Hosensoft is free of viruses and doesn't pose the risk of being deleted or flagged by antivirus software. This means you can focus on creating and printing without worrying about technical issues or security threats. What really puts this printer over the top, though, is the support and service provided by the manufacturer. As a factory, they're able to offer all parts of the printer, ensuring that you can easily replace or repair components as needed. This level of support is unparalleled, and it's a huge advantage for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality printer. I've heard stories of buyers who have gone through multiple printers before finding one that meets their needs. But with the XP600, you can have confidence that you're making a smart, long-term investment. In conclusion, the A3 XP600 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine, offering a unique combination of features, quality, and support that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this printer has the potential to take your prints to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the XP600 today and discover a world of limitless creative possibilities. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a game changer, and I'm excited to see the incredible things you'll create with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.